Bye, Rio. Truck's all ready to go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are driving essentially across the country to go pick up our new GFC camper. Super excited, but I have about 800 plus miles to go. It's about 9 a.m. right now. It is a Thursday. Let's get going.
Right, sure. That often is effective.
All right, guys. We've made it to our final destination, which is Pocatello, Idaho. About 8 hours today under our belt. Here's where we're staying tonight. We got here just in time for the sunset, which is pretty cool. Let's go check out our yurt. Got a little fireplace out here, so that's pretty awesome. This person's property is really cool, and the fall colors out here in Idaho are gorgeous. These pinks and these colors are just so crazy. But let's go check it out before it gets too dark. All right, got some lights in here. Oh, this is cool. Quaint little place, got some friends. Wood burning stove, that'll be nice. This is a dry cabin, so no running water, but looks like they did give us some water here. Got some Triscuits, coffee, and we got a microwave at least. Little fridge. Awesome. This is gonna be nice and cozy. Bathroom over here. Let's see what... Dinner tonight, we're making some salmon. This is a catch from this summer over in Alaska. So before it gets too dark, here's everything I'm packing. So what we're gonna be doing is tomorrow we have another 4-hour drive that'll bring us to Bozeman, Montana. We're gonna get the GFC installed on Saturday morning. I might have to show you guys this tomorrow, but essentially to get the truck ready for the GFC, I had to take all of my Utilitracks off on the side, which is kind of a bummer. I've seen a couple other install videos where the Tacomas, they got to leave their Utilitracks on, but unfortunately they told me I had to take mine off. I also had to take the roof racks off on the cab, which was kind of a pain in the butt, and I had to fill in the holes, which the holes don't look great. So I had to fill in the holes with some screws and then also silicone them off so water doesn't go through. Overall, a successful drive. Unfortunately, Carly was not able to make it out with me this weekend. This will be the first Nissan Frontier with a GFC on it, so really stoked about that. Decided to start the wood burning stove in here. Warm this place up a little bit. Good morning from Pocatello, Idaho. It's about 8 o'clock. We're getting an early start in the day. I'm gonna go find some breakfast in town, and then we're gonna continue on our journey. I have never seen so many cows. I'm staying at La Quinta Hotel, and I'm trying this guy out for the first time. This is the knockoff jet boil. I'm trying to make some water for some ramen because I'm being lazy tonight for dinner. Firing up pretty good. Let's see how long it takes to boil this water. All right, guys, so that boiled definitely pretty quick. Impressed, really good. All right, guys, well, I got the truck all situated. I got the GFC install in a few hours, but I'm gonna grab some lunch first. But I had to essentially take all of the gear out of the back of the truck and put it inside here so that they have room to work and I don't have to worry about my stuff being stolen as I'm walking around downtown. So here's what we're looking at. My Tetris skills are on point. So I did get a car wash late last night just to make sure the truck is all in tip-top shape and ready for the install. So to get the truck ready for the install, I had to take off all of the roof racks up at the top, and then I also had to take off the Utilitracks on the side here, and then I just wiped everything down really well. But here's what the other side's looking like. A giant mess of Tetris, but it won't be like that for very long. I'm gonna be putting everything in the back after they get the GFC installed. The install supposedly takes only 30 minutes. So let's hope that's true, so that right after we get done with the install, I'm just gonna go straight to Yellowstone, and then tomorrow we're gonna make our way back home. Because it was slotted for white glove delivery or free. Yeah. GFC is all installed. Got my stuff all from the cab inside of the camper. Ton of room in here still. Let's go test this bad boy out. Oof, stoked beyond belief. It's finally here. All right, guys, so we just left GFC. Thank you to all the crew over there. Everyone there was like super nice. I'm now gonna make my way over to Yellowstone, and we are going to test the new GFC camper out tonight. So super stoked about that. Lounging mode. Staying warm tonight.